Good morning, everybody. It's actually Red Squadron 4 here for the single box of Pinnacle number 11, from 2011-2012, box break number 107. Again, it's actually 7 in the morning, 7:18 in the morning, just before work. Just didn't make it to break time last night, but feeling much more rested today than on most Fridays. Oh, serial number first, of course. Throw my whole routine off. And good luck to everybody. Actually thinking if I had more time for this is a much better way to start. Much better way to start the work day. So, see if we can get a nice hit or three. Yeah. Alright, something I haven't seen out of this for a while. For a time, I was getting a bunch of private signings out of these. And good ones. Good I got a Crosby and a Malkin private signing out of Pinnacle. But I haven't seen any of those for quite some time now. And we start with our base pack. Oh, that is a nice card. Very cool. We have a Threads, but more specifically, we have a Threads patch card for the Boston Bruins Zdeno Chara. 3 colors you can see. Very, very nice. And what's going to be cool about this is this will be out of 25. Number 12 of 25, in fact. So, well, that is a good way to start the morning. Very cool. Base packs. That's another really thick pack. You can tell that Threads card was just bursting. This one looks like it is too. For the Carolina Hurricanes, the Zach Adolphe game night. Now, it looks like it's a single color, which of course it is a single color, but it is a prime jersey, which means that this is going to be out of 30. So this is turning out to be, I don't remember a box having 2 short printed jersey cards in one box of Pinnacle. So, we have a rink collection for the Edmonton Oilers of Nikolai Habibulin. Alright, and a couple more base cards. We have a Corey Crawford breakthroughs for the Chicago Blackhawks. We have for the Columbus Blue Jackets a Cam Atkinson rookie card. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, Tough Times Wendell Clark. Base pack. Oh, very cool. I believe these only fall one per case. It's a Pantheon. Claude Giroux for the Philadelphia Flyers. Claude Giroux, Pantheon, and it's already kind of yellow. Very cool. Hmm. I've broken cases of Pinnacle. That's the first Pantheon. So they are quite rare. Another Claude Giroux. The slightly less desirable breakthroughs, but I know there's some people who like to get the complete set of those. Those are cool. Claude Giroux again. Base pack. Wow, this is quite the box. These are also, I'm not sure, I didn't know that Pinnacle had hot boxes, but if this isn't one, I don't know what is. Martin Brodeur, Devils, of course. Of course. Pinnacle Black, also. These are supposed to be one per case, so the fact that this and the Pantheon and the patch and the Prime came in the same box, that sounds and seems like some sort of error, but I suppose it's good for the folks in this break. So, congrats, that's awesome. And we have a random between Montreal, this is a team Pinnacle, between PK Subban and the Canadiens and Shea Weber and the Predators. That will be random when I get through all these packs. Another big rookie, Chicago Blackhawks, Brandon Saad. Brandon Saad, Hawks. Base pack. Base pack. I suppose, still waiting for a possible autograph, but maybe that black and that Pantheon have replaced the autograph. Oh, That's unfortunate, but whatever. Chicago, another Brandon Saad rookie. Absolutely identical to the last one. Holy crap. No, you know what? Clearly hot packs. Congratulations to the Colorado Avalanche. We have a Patrick Waugh, yours truly autograph from Zenith. Um, really nothing exciting on the back at all, but again, never pulled one of these. Most Patrick autographs are incredibly valuable, whether or not they come out of this or whatnot. But congratulations! So unexpected box. And the last pack, which happens to have an Ottawa Senator Patrick Weirkach rookie card. So bear with me for a sec while I set up our random. All right. So, unfortunately, folks, this does happen periodically where I live. Internet's down, and there's this ridiculous little symbol. So, I'm going to have to restart everything up, send a separate link out. Alternatively, what I might do is see if I just have another one of these cards, see what we can do. But thanks so much. Great box. I've never seen one like that in Pinnacle before. I can't be sure I'll ever see one quite that awesome again. So it was great to be doing that with you guys, and we'll work together soon. Thanks.